yourself sad or unhappy, you might want to watch this video as I tell you why. So keep watching. There are a lot of things that could be making you sad or unhappy. Literally a ton of things that could be making you sad. But I recently realized that there's just two main categories of why you could be sad, and every other thing is listed under those two categories. So the first reason why you could be sad is that you want what they have. They, next door, you want what they have. A lot of times we secretly find ourselves wishing we had other people's lives, wishing we had what they have. And what that does, it makes you hate what you do have, and that puts you in a permanent state of pisosity. Yeah. And the second thing that could be making you sad is that you place little value on what you actually have. You have a car, you have a home, you have talent, you have a job, you have stuff, but you snort at them because you feel they're not good enough for you. Yeah, that could make you unhappy. That could make you really, really unhappy. So there are certain things that you could actually do to help you get your happiness back, and one of it is gratitude. There is a powerful force in gratitude that has the ability to multiply, literally. So form a habit of being thankful for the things that God has blessed you with, and it just puts everything into perspective, and things don't look so bad when you're able to count your blessings, no matter how small they are. So the next thing that you could do to help you gain your happiness back is to focus on what you actually do have. Think of creative ways to make the things that you have better. The grass is only as green as the amount of water that you put in it. So make the most of what you have right now. The last thing that you could do to help you get your happiness back is to make a faith board. What I do is I get pictures online from wherever of things that I would love to own, of places I would love to go, of careers that I would love to venture into later in life. And I cut out those pictures and stick them on a blank canvas and put them somewhere where I can see them every morning. And then I set realistic goals on how to achieve them one day at a time. Remember, the key word is realistic goals and not building castles in the air. So there you have it. 2 reasons why you're sad and how you can get your happiness back. I hope these tips are helpful. Please like the video, share them, and leave your comments down below. I will be reading them and replying. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Tiana Onyinye Ebong. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.